All right, so we're going to solve your homework exercise, and pardon my voice because I have a bit of a cold. So this is the forecasting homework that you need to do. I'm just going to quickly solve this. All right, let me just adjust this a little bit. Also here, save some space. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have a new column. I'm going to drag it down here. So this is essentially our time periods. I will copy these provided indices to here so that we can get rid of this area. And we're going to use the space for other things. All right, so we're going to do the 4 forecasting techniques, and then we're going to calculate the mean absolute deviation, starting with moving averages. We will start in period 4, like we have done with our in-class exercise. All right, and we're just going to drag it down till January. And then we're going to do trend analysis. For trend analysis, we do need the intercept and the slope. So the y values would be the room sold, and the x values would be the time periods. And we do the same thing for the slope. Here. And here. Great. So y equal a plus bx, a fixed plus b fixed times x. Ooh. Times x. We can just drag it down. Yeah, let's drag it all the way down. Why not? And then we have a seasonality. For seasonality, we're going to need the seasonality index. So that would be the different month. So we're going to calculate the average for the different months. For January, and then I will drag the total average and then seasonality index. I'm going to drag. So these are the seasonality indices. Copy. I'm going to do a paste special. And then here again, 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 again. So seasonality would be this one times that one. All right, let's drag. And finally, we have regression. For regression, we also need A and B. So intercept, actual rooms sold, and visitor indices. Slope, actual rooms sold, and visitor indices. Y equal a plus bx, fixed plus b fixed times x. And we're going to drag. This one we can drag, let's say, till here, because that's how far we can go with all the indices here. All right. And then we're going to calculate the mean absolute deviation. We need some space here. All right, that's enough. We're going to calculate the error for moving averages, trend, season, and regression. Absolute value. So this is forecast compare with actual. We can drag to December. Same thing, ABS, forecast, actual. Season, forecast, actual. Forecast, actual. So now we can take the average for all the forecasting errors. And then this one we can drag it to the right. We can see that this is the smallest med and it's associated with regression. And that would mean these values from January on, this is what we're interested in. There you go. That's our homework. Thanks for watching.